Just another quick video. I am the Caveman, and this is Caveman Creations. And what I have here is I just bought a Craftsman air compressor and brad nailer. Working on doing a lot of woodworking projects lately, and I just needed one. And this looked like the best deal, so let's get it open. Instruction manual, air hose, I'll assume that that is the nail gun. And a random metal ring at the bottom of the box. Don't know what that is. Let's see. Air release. Power cord. Controls. Air pressure control, hose hookup, made in the USA, always a bonus in my book. Let's see. Nice. Nails go in there. Thought it was supposed to come with some nails, but doesn't appear to have any. So that's kind of a bummer, because I won't be able to use it today. But give me time to go over the instructions here, just check it out, see if there's anything that I'm missing. But power on and off, air pressure control, 2-valve. It's about a 6-foot hose. It's a hard plastic hose. Not a big fan. I usually like the soft rubber ones. They're more flexible. They don't kink up. But well, after I get some nails for it, we'll see how it works. Random metal ring. Found out what that is. This gauge. Oh, no glass. That goes in there. Like that. Problem is there's no piece of glass. Looked inside the box. Nope, not there. So that's disappointing. So I'll have to cut a piece of plexiglass or something to put over that to protect it. So right out of the box, sadly, made in the USA, already got a broken part before it even came out of the box. Disappointing.